What's up, people? Today we are playing here Insurgency Sandstorm, and since we are playing Domination, I think it's a good day to make use of the Garand because, well, who the fuck cares about modern guns when you can have a 1930s rifle? Where are the enemies? Huh? Are they scared? Okay, yo, that's why I love the Garand. Oh, ah, come on. Always from the back. Even though I had, I don't know, a fucking... That's what I'm saying, I mean, for real, the Warrant, it's like one of the cheapest weapons of the game, but it packs a punch, you know that. That's what happens when you fire 308 rounds, but yeah. Okay. It's a little bit stupid, you cannot go past this, but... Fuck! Bro, that guy spawned in front of me, like... You expect... Good Algaran, my man. Bro, what the fuck? These people think they are in Fortnite or what, jumping out there, come on. I mean, no, well, it doesn't matter. Because a man with a gun doesn't seek to kill the other players. A man with a gun only seeks the pain. You know, the humiliation of killing someone with a gun while they have an AK and M4 and all this shitty modern weaponry. My god. I think they were trying to shoot me. Oof, that was a close one. Bro. How not? How not, bro? Yo. Nah. Maybe in the next game we tried out the motion, you know, to double the humiliation levels. Well, since I promised it, here we have it. The motion. Oh dear lord, what will happen? Oh! Oh dear lord. It's true. It works. I know where you're hiding. Oh, no, yeah, I'm retarded. Okay. Oh. Oh no. Oh no, is this good? No, where he is. Man. Fuck your MG, bro. Oh no. That was another guy. No, I think... Ah. Yeah, it seems he was blown up. Oh no, no. Yo, yo.
Be quiet, oh my god.
What the fuck is wrong with these people? Yeah, bro.
Autism mode, just speak English. Are you on Love on the Spectrum?
You know the funny thing is, yeah.
My god.
Yo, bro. The autism is going hard in this game.
I know, I can tell by the way you reacted.
Maybe you should go to sleep, pal.
Dude, why are you shooting me? Stop it.
Yo, bro, you jump in front of me. I was scared.
Dude, don't shoot at me. Dude, what are you doing? Pilot.
I think you gotta go to sleep, man.
Why would I go to sleep? Sleep is for the weak.
You sound really depressed there, pal.
Yeah, your mom's asleep in the background, so I'm not trying to wake her up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Fucking pillar.
Dude, shut up.
Ah, is
Stop
people.
it.
Oh, yo, is people listening to me? I was here
Shut
commenting.
up. Shut up.
Hmm? Bah.
Dude, why did you kill me? What the heck?
Why would you come?
Yeah, I think they are not talking about me.
Buddy, you need some road head. That's what you need. You need some head on the road.
Get smoked and read up.
So good.
On that fucking brain pack.
Oh my god.
Fuck.
He just said the cool thing, man. He said smoking that pack. Oh my god, you're cool.
Rest in peace.
God, you're cool. I don't want to fucking play with a degenerate. Get the fuck out.
Oh.
Guys, we gotta pick a point here. We're losing points fast.
Did I took out him? I don't know. Well, at least the Ritter stand that he cannot be camping on the same spot. Oh. A dirt? Oh, if you try to be the Mosey man, but you're not that man, believe me. That's not a... No, not the most. In the M1 Garand man. Doesn't matter, that's not what a good M1 Garand man does. I think we are going to try out something more... You know, or modern. Don't scare me, bro. Yo, what the fuck was doing Willy Wonka up there? Bro, fucking Spider-Man kill me? Yo, Spider-Man. Just kill me. There was another one, no? I think, yeah, no, yeah. Oh. Yeah, from behind, of course. No, I took him out. Yeah, I smoked those two guys. 3 in a row, baby. Hey, shit, dude. No. I maybe took him out. Yes, now. Okay, now. I have to hit now, definitely. Oh my god. Alright, let's go with the FNF. Quite a nice weapon if you ask me, and a powerful one, that's for sure. Okay. Kinda burning out through the ammo. I mean, I don't think I will live much longer, you know, to really be in need, but something to consider. Yo. It's quite good, no? Fuck. See.
No, you don't.
Ah! No! Oh no, I couldn't. No, I wanted to knife him. Oh. This guy thought you could be there camping. I mean. Oh. Oh, yo. I don't know what has, you know, there's Cold War and pre-World War era guns, but they are pretty fun in this game, like, you cannot deny that. Like, using some all those weapons in a modern shooter, you know, it has its charm. Oh, yo. Oh. Okay, yeah, we've knifed someone. That's enough for me. I don't know if he was AFK or what, but maybe yes, but it's not that overpowered, it seems. Oh, I love these weapons that punch so hard, like. Yep. That's why you always look both sides before crossing.